A properly organized data table is the backbone of any effective dashboard. When your data is clean, structured, and consistent, it allows you to build dashboards that are not only visually appealing, but also accurate and insightful. A well-organized data table ensures that your calculations, charts, and summaries are pulling the correct information, reducing the risk of errors or misinterpretations. It also makes it easier to update and maintain the dashboard over time, as any changes to the data can be seamlessly integrated. In essence, a well-organized data table lays the foundation for a dashboard that is reliable, easy to navigate, and truly reflective of the data it represents, allowing you to make informed decisions with confidence. Let's move to today's task. In here I have taken around 20 rows, so we can check the accuracy manually. I have taken 2023 and 2024 sales reports as well as per unit profit from the system. Then, how to combine all the reports into one report, or one table. We'll see. First, assign a name to all tables. Then, it can be identified very easily in the next steps. Open as a blank query and type this. Next, select this by using arrow keys and press Tab key on keyboard. Finally, press the Enter key. See all tables in this query. I already have these tables in the file, so I don't want to see it once again. Therefore, I just create a connection. Next, go to the query. I use the product list table to combine with other tables. Next, because all items might not have sold in each year. I use the product list table to combine with other tables. Product list table means because all items might not have sold in each year in a company. Product list table means master file that so I can show another products in a company. Let's close this and let's add a month table so I can show another point for you. Let's close this and let's add a month table. You need to do another thing. Link month tables heading to item list table, and I will explain it later. Save it and go to the query again. The new table was added. Now, I need to repeat each item's name 12 times and put the month name from January to December. We'll see how to do it. Then expand your table. See, it was a success. Rename the merge file as master data table. Now my data set looks like this. I want to summarize it, so I use group by option. For example, there are 3 sales lines for laptops in January. After this process, it needs to be 1 line for January, as well as it needs to show the summation of amount and quantity. I group this table based on these conditions. Cool. On the right side, you can see the applied steps section. On the right side, there is no undo or redo option in Power Query. There is no undo, but you can see what we have done in Power Query by clicking the setting button. But you can see what we have done by clicking the setting button, as well as can remove the steps by clicking on the cross, as well as can remove the steps area by clicking on the cross in the applied steps section area. Let's check the first line after grouping. Let's click on the previous line after grouping and see how many laptops have been sold in January. And see how many laptops have been sold in January. Then go to the latest step. It is 66. See, it is correct. Then go to the latest step. Next, please apply the same procedure to the 2024 sales table. Please apply the same procedure to the 2024 sales table. Next, merge those two files to the master data table. When you have two or more Next, merge those two files to the master data table. When you have two or more conditions, you need to press the Control key on your keyboard and select columns from the mouse or touchpad. First, I select the month column and next, the product name column. First, I select the month column and next, one in the month product name and number 2 in the product name column. Now you can see number 1 in the month column. Keep in mind to follow the same order for the next table. Keep in mind to follow the same order for the next table. Alright, then load this as a table. See, there are empty cells also, I need to hide them. See what I do. I cannot hide them straightforwardly, so I create a helper column and unselect the null cells. Then close and see what will happen. It is a success. Now add one line to the 2024 sales table. Then refresh it. It was not synchronized successfully. Let's go to the query, I will show. I remove this filter and filter March detail. Alright. Then load this as a table. See, there are empty cells also, I need to hide them. See what I do. I cannot hide them straightforwardly, so I create a helper column and unselect the null cells. See, we cannot see the sales details for the months of March and April. First, remove the filter, then filter March and April. See, there are no sales details in 2023 for those months, so 2024's sales details are not shown in the helper column. Let's solve the issue this way. Now I add another sales detail for May 2024. Save and refresh. It takes time for this kind of thing, but you can do it quickly when you have sound knowledge on Excel. As well as this system is fully automated, so you need to insert and refresh to update all records once complete. Then, merge with profit per unit table. Then this is almost completed. Next, create a custom column for each year to calculate profit. You can merge your budget to this table. The procedure is also the same. Alright, we have completed it. If you have not watched this dashboard, please click on the below description. In today's video, we covered many things you need to know about merging queries in Power Query, from basic joins to more advanced techniques. I hope you found this session valuable. This is the first video of Power Query, so stay tuned to grab the advanced techniques with practical scenarios. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.